Is there really such a thing as human-readable cryptocurrency addresses? Can I get one? Is there also a way to make money out of it? Hi, I'm Nate Martin, and we're taking a deeper look into unstoppable domains in our 2-minute review. One of the biggest issues with cryptocurrencies is how inconvenient it is to send or receive payments. You'll usually have to type in a very long and confusing string of letters and numbers, and if you made a mistake, the money's gone. Unstoppable Domains solves this problem by allowing you to assign cryptocurrency addresses to one simple-to-read, personalized domain name that ends with .crypto. You can register your own name or any combination of letters as a .crypto domain name, and as long as it hasn't already been registered, you can start receiving cryptocurrency to it. For example, if you want to send me some funds, all you have to do is type natemartin.crypto in the recipient address. 70 different cryptocurrencies can be linked to a personalized domain, which means you can have the same address for Bitcoin, Ethereum, or a variety of other supported coins. Currently, only a select number of wallets support human-readable addresses, such as Coinbase Wallet, Atomic Wallet, Coinomi, Edge, and several others. Hopefully, in the future, they will become a standard for all wallets. Another great option for using an unstoppable domain is to secure a premium domain name and to sell it later for a profit. This is exactly how a lot of people made money back in the early days of the internet, when a lot of .com domain names were available for pennies. Some of the domain names that are currently on the market are flights.crypto, vacations.crypto, and hodlmybitcoin.crypto. An unstoppable domain can also be used to build an uncensored website on top of it. Unlike how regular domain names work today, .crypto domains are registered on the Ethereum blockchain, so no one can control the domain aside from whoever owns the private keys for it. Having said that, this option might not be the best solution for running a website at the moment, as most browsers will require some tweaking in order to show a .crypto domain correctly. Overall, unstoppable domains seems like a very needed solution for many cryptocurrency users, and it's gaining momentum quickly. If you want to start searching for your own crypto domains, use the link in the description, and I'll see you in a bit. If you've enjoyed this video, leave us a thumbs up and make sure to subscribe and click the notification bell so you don't miss a review, news update, or the clearest information about Bitcoin and cryptocurrencies anywhere.